All right, we're about to visit Area 51, do some testing and some tuning on my technique. It's freezing out here. It's bitter. Look at this. It's 18 degrees out here right now. It's ridiculous. I'll show you guys. Not that bad in here, but it ain't that much. Okay, 32 in here. Turn the lights on. Okay, let's go on Area 51, guys. Let's go on Area 51 and check it out. And let's turn on Area 51 lights too. So I got 2 small heaters in here, just keep them warm for me until I start paying. There'll be no electricity in here whatsoever. But nice and cozy in here. Nice and cozy. Let's see what we holding in here. Velcro this back. Just for right now, I'll leave that pinch right there. We're nice and cozy and nice in here. So got this little heater right here, keeping us warm. And look. We're holding the Area 51, guys. It's nice and it's decent in here. I got my station over here. Gotta do some cleaning up. Yeah, we gonna turn up. Oh, let me show you guys what I've done. So I got these hooks. I'll be like hanging a little trim from a little parts here. Both sides. Let's put this stretcher right here right now. Got a little cheap gun hanging right there on the post right here, and we got another one over there. So today we're gonna practice technique. I'll see which mats work best for me. Hanging right here. So I'll put some more hooks there, and for trim pieces, but. Yeah, we're gonna work with technique now. I'm gonna pull. I got about maybe 50 feet right here of this hose. I can pull in here 50 feet easily. And this is some of the best hose you can buy. It's old vintage hose, no leaks whatsoever. Look at the fittings on it. Yeah, no air leaks whatsoever. So, yeah, we're gonna do some testing today, and I'm working on my technique. So just a dry run for me working on technique and see which mask works best for me. I would love to wear this one because I don't care what kind of toxic gases it is outside. You don't smell anything through that, nothing. And this is a cheap $40 special on Amazon. I got a couple more too, but the lenses are hazy on them. So we're gonna just see which one of these works best for me. We're gonna put on the suit. We're gonna get set up. I got some microfiber cloths. Also here, I'm ready to back mask everything for plastic. So I'll do that in a minute. And, yeah. Same over here. So let me get dressed and let's work on some technique here today. Okay, although I'm a novice, I want to start off with good practice and create good habits out the gate. This is how I am when working on cars. With this, that's the goal. Try to practice good habits out the gate. Go get in. I'm gonna get in one of these suits. Got to see. And I've had these forever. Gonna use some of these as well. And I said we go try one of these masks on. So let's gear up and see what we got. Okay, so here's my first dry run, guys. Like I said, I'm a novice painting the car. I've been working on cars since I was 10. I kind of dabbled in painting parts in my teenage years, and I just was so passionate about just fixing cars and fixing things and other things as well as sports. And I'll kind of dip into that before when I first started painting the car. I'll kind of make a video and show some of the things that I was into and why am I doing this. But here, just practicing technique, trying to figure out what works for me, getting comfortable with the gun. One thing I'm gonna assure, it won't take long for me to be a great painter. It won't take long. It's all about getting comfortable with the gun, knowing the situations at hand. I've watched thousands of videos from some of the best painters and some of the worst painters. I wanted to see all. I wanted to see the technique from where people made mistakes, and I'll continue to do that. I got books. I'm reading books. I love to read. I write books. So here I'm just practicing technique and hose position to just see what's best for me, which position works best in this particular booth, to see how I should position the hose, because I don't want it to touch the car while I'm painting, and how much hose should I have in at the time of painting, and just factoring out all the little things, because I try to do things meticulous, and I work very, very precise and trying to do things the best that I could, or the best to my ability. And once I kind of got this car done painting, I knew that I'll be really good at this, and it won't take long, because I'm going to put in the work, because I'm extremely passionate, and you guys will hear that word probably in every video. Everybody who knows me knows I just love to work, and I'm extremely passionate. And this won't take long for me to become an amazing painter, and which is my goal now, to become an amazing painter. Just like I can work on cars, just like I can fix just about anything. I want to do that with paint. Just got to figure out when different situations happen, how to jump on them quickly. That's where I'm at mentally now, just trying to figure out the situation. But yeah, we're gonna make some dry runs here. This is on camera. I made plenty more off camera before I started painting. I was in here for hours doing this, guys, hours and hours, because I'm so passionate, because I want it to be nice. Just gonna take me longer. I'm not a professional painter, but I will get professional results because I'm passionate, and it's gonna take me longer to do it. You just gotta work hard at it, and which I love doing, working hard. So dry run test here. I'll be painting in the next video, most likely, and all the videos are done because the car's painted. So stay tuned for all the updates and uploads. I hope you guys are enjoying this, or feeling my passion doing this, and how I just got tired of this car, sitting up, and I wanted it done. I wanted it to be completely done, and that's the goal. So videos will be kicking out for me completing this car from here on out, 3 to 4 times a week, shorts and everything. So stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for watching my content. It really means a lot to me, because I put a lot into this. Okay guys, I've done a few things on camera, but I'll be out here for about another hour or so just practicing more technique and movement, as well as body positioning as I get underneath this car. I'm on a flat here and on a flat in the front here. So, oh, back here too. I'm flat everywhere. So I'm gonna raise the tires up before I paint it. It'll definitely help with my height. I don't want to be so low to the ground. So, yeah, this was my dry run. I'm gonna be out here for a little longer, keep figuring it out. These might don't work. I need some grip. So I may just have some extra shoes out here that'll work, opposed to me putting on these. They're too slippery. I want some grip so I can keep my movement consistent, opposed to slipping all over the place. But just trying to start off with good practices as I improve my painting skills and painting techniques to be ultimately a great painter, in which I will be, without a doubt. Okay, next video should be shooting some paint on this thing. We should be shooting some paint on this thing. You guys may see me being repetitive as far as cleaning, but we're gonna clean this thing multiple times before we paint it. That's for sure. All right, stay tuned. Hope you guys are enjoying this series. Hope you guys think Area 51 is cool. If you got any more tips, I've still got a few more things I want to do to it as far as the ventilation system, but this is just for right now. Hope you guys think it's cool. If you guys have any more tips on what I got going on here, please let me know. Very comfortable in here, and I think this turned out great for what it's worth. I want to note, you guys will see safety features in this booth the day of painting, as far as fire extinguishers, explosion-proof fan, and we're going to have some nice ventilation going through this thing. So just wanted to note that. Just going to get better in here. All right. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Terrence, I'm out.